Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can auto hide your taskbar in Windows 11. And this will work in Windows 10 too. So if you're using Windows 10, you can do the same. So for that, you have to just go down, right click the taskbar, go to taskbar settings, and here you can go to this taskbar behavior. And here you will get an option called automatically hide the taskbar. So I will click on it, and as you can see, the taskbar is hidden. So now if I want to, get the taskbar, I just have to move my mouse down to the bottom of the screen and it will show up. So if you move it up, then it will auto hide. And if I move it down, then it will again show up. So this is how you can auto hide your taskbar in Windows 11. Thank you.